Okay, let's do it. Let's turn it upside down. Let's roll over.
Quindi abbiamo questo. I want to get to God.
Let's go faster, everybody. Let's go high speed. You ready for this one? One more time. Roll over.
Ora, snare drops. Okay. Those that thought the first one to let them win. I think it's better than that. That's a shot.
Let's go, 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 let's go.
All ready for the next one, boys and girls? It's the next ride. Let's do it. Let's go. Come on.
If you dare.
Step this way, come on. Let's go. Step this way. Come on, we're ready. Let's do it again then.
stop now, wait till it stops. Wait for the car to stop now, next ride. Next one. Play in the car, if you're riding, take your seats. Play inside the car, let's go. Empty cars in the back, empty cars, right back. Go, we still got empty cars on this ride, empty cars, this way.
You're right, Dave. I'm not bad, you. Catching a right good angle around this fair here, man. Yeah, man.
One more, let's go, let's go.
Moran is only 4 we start this one. Last few empty seats if you like to ride. Last few cars if you're riding.
Not bad, man. Yeah, I did, yeah, man. Alright, that picture. Alright. James Berry didn't want to get up to be on it. Great piece. I've had that for about 2 years, if you don't, man. I need to get some new ones printed off. Yeah, it's a gimbal. Look. take it off, when they take it. Nice little addition because it moves for you. When you move it, it moves, you know what I mean? You can capture everything on it now. Alright, isn't it? Right, I'll see you in a bit though. In a bit. Filming everything, man. Are you alright, Jen?
Yeah, no,
I'm so
fast back to hopping for the balloon.
Oh, no, yeah. Yeah. You alright? Oh, God. Yeah, that heavy wire. What that anyway? I know, yeah, tell me about it. It went that far for the race, to be honest with you. Gave me light. Yeah. If I was a goal will offer in the ski jump or the other fellow who's back me. Oh, it's here, Joel. It's not Joel's this, it's the other fella. Definitely not yours, friend, then. Joel? Right, man. Not about you. Oh, yeah. did. He spotted me straight away. He went, and he went, are you coming on now? Not yet, Evan.
Let's go, Super Bowl! Hold on tight!
Favourite. We didn't go on, it did me at Hawkins. We're supposed to go on one at Hawkins, weren't we? Yeah.
Will somebody scream?
That's a little kid, isn't it? Oh, he's got a magic marble bag. I like that.
T-shirt.
That's a great what marble t-shirt, I don't know. Hey, you've got t-shirt as well, man, to match that. Right, yeah, man. Yeah. Refreshing beer. You got right,
Right.
and all right, you can have a log of candy. I'll get you hungry, a log of candy.
To be sick.
It'll be all right.
Okay, we're gonna take it back up to the top riders. Let's do it. Here we go. Sit back. Here we go.
Wait till you see the ride vlog at the end of it. So we went, Abby, we've not put it up yet.
Put it up, yeah. I thought we would have put it up.
Well, you know, it's only been like 2 weeks.
Ah.
But like, I got tipsy. Bingy was on live on TikTok.
Yeah.
Like that. No, you know, like have a bit of drinking, just a bit of a twat.
Yeah.
I was a bit of a twat.
buy your tokens from the gas box for the next ride. Please buy your tokens from the gas box.
Okay, next ride, join us, come on!
Please secure all those articles. Please secure all those articles before riding the freakout.
Must be all there really long. Gala bit there. Yeah, it's the Normanton Gala. Yeah, and there's some full tents and whatever and that all there. You haven't allowed to tent it? I'll get you one.
After riding, yeah.
Good ball.
No.
I'll get you one after riding. So I'm gonna, once I do this, go around and take a picture, I'm gonna get a log standing on this to me.
I'll do it after the
I no problem. Well, that's what Jen said.
I know what we're in for.
Yeah. Are you coming on as well, Gail? Come on, Jen. He hasn't done all the horns, have they? He's only done so many. I think 3, I think, was missing on the thing. 1, 2. Doing back like apparently now. Off, yeah. So went back and all armed and centrepiece and that. It was really good
I
back.
love how it's still got plastic on there and do a bit of the
Yeah, convention, yeah. We'll finish this video over there and I'll come across to you guys.